Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing some MM2 and I'm going to be doing some unboxing after all the rounds.
Let's go.
As you can see, I have a good amount of gems. So, somehow, not going to lie, I swear on everything, I was just Sheriff and I just got Sheriff again. So, we got Sheriff twice in a row now. And I'm playing in first person because I just feel like I hit shots better. Like, when I'm in first person.
I see you.
We're also with Charles, so we're just gonna try and
Let's go.
get some wins.
Yeah, I don't really. I have like only 1,000 Robux, and I'm not spending it on this game.
Oh my God, it's a murder. All right. What? Wait, no, it wasn't the murder. No, I killed myself.
Wait, did you die?
Yeah, because I shot.
Where are you? Oh, somebody got it.
Okay, today. Okay, let's do some unboxing, boys. What should we unbox? Let's go.
Girl.
Knife box. Knife box 4. Okay, we're starting off with the Aqua. Not the greatest start. But we're going to keep going. See some fades. Lily, not the start we wanted. Not the start we wanted.
Not the start we wanted, no.
Come on. Melon, not awful. Not awful. We're just going to go right back into it. Come on, stop giving me these poopy comments. Love on me. Bro, what are my odds right now? Come on. That was close.
Bro, is this guy good? Bro, this guy is a Violet Val.
Okay, we're done with this box, guys. We're
Okay, yeah, we do not want comments.
Nobody wants comments.
Oh, I'm Sheriff.
I don't know.
Are you murder?
I didn't even see what I am. I haven't seen. I've been unboxing.
That's a little suspicious.
Nope.
Yep. Oh, come on.
Told you.
Bruh.
Brr. I'm gonna try and get some.
I'm gonna play a song on the radio.
Alright.
It's like.
I don't have my volume on, but we're gonna do some trade requests. Ooh, what do they have? Let's just throw in this, boys. Yeah.
Wait, do you have the new set or no?
What?
Did you buy the new set?
No. What does she have? Bro, what are you giving me? Like, I don't need that crap. Like, she giving me this poopy ass stuff. Okay, we're gonna do some unboxing because I'm not murderer, and we're just gonna do some unboxing. Knife box 2. Let's go with gun box. No, let's go with this one. Gun box 2. Give me predator. Okay, we got revolver. Revolver. Not bad, boys. Not bad.
Wait, who is that? Oh, revolver. That's pretty good. Let's go.
Oh, we already won. Nice. Not getting any legendaries right now.
Juice. Wait, which one is this? Gun box 2?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let me check which. So engraved, infant.
I want to do some trading.
2-star sketch.
But no one. Oh, gemstone. What's gemstone worth?
That's like 30.
Ooh, might have to do some scamming.
Yeah, that's like kind of get ahead. You gotta get wins, you know. But wait, Drew, can you turn up your volume just one time?
Yeah. How much is broken worth?
Oh, broken, that's like 2.
Okay. She declined my trade. I went in for the scam.
Listen to, is this like Who is this? This guy.
Wait, play it again.
Young boy or something?
Play it again. I didn't hear it.
No, it's playing right now. Listen.
Is that Playboy Cardi?
Yeah, Playboy Cardi, yeah.
Yeah, Playboy Cardi.
I can't believe I can play that in Roblox.
Come on, give me some. Oh my god, that's love on me. Dude, no, like, I need people with godlies. I want to trade.
We should join a different server.
Alright, let's join a different server. Predator, let's go, boys. That's a great unbox right there.
Let's go. W Drew, let's go.
Let's go. Now let's hop into the next server.
You can join a new server.
Alright,
I'll just join you.
let's go, boys. That's a nice legendary.
For the boys.
That's a nice legendary.
For the boys. Let's
That is
go.
a nice legendary.
I would trade for here. I would trade for gollies that are like 40. Because Gemstone's like 20s.
This person has nothing in there.
Is this a good server?
Oh.
People ask something
The
for one?
Duck Nose does. Okay, wait. I'm gonna name this person's gollies. I'm gonna ask you to see if they're good. Bone Blade, Snowflake, Eternal Candle, Blaster, Eternal 2, Orange Seer, Egg Blade, Nebula.
Okay, Blaster. Blaster is probably your best bet, but she would not accept that for Gemstone.
We're
I think,
still
because
going.
Blaster's
We're still
like
going for.
50 or 60, I think.
Oh,
And then
alright.
all the other ones are like below.
Alright.
Can I play Playboy Cardi? Come on,
Yeah,
Drew.
you should play Playboy Cardi.
I can't though.
Why not?
Because I died.
Oh, you died? I didn't know that.
You just got juked, bro.
I might have just got juked.
You just got juked. Okay, it's fine. Kill that guy. Why are you just kill everyone? Why are you? Oh, whoa, Drew, chill.
Sorry, my bad. Oh, what's this thing do?
You're gonna get shot if you keep acting sus. Kill her. Let's
She's a
go.
little bit laggy.
Okay, that girl, throw.
Oh yeah, I forgot I can throw. Got him.
Nice. Oh, no. There's one behind you. Okay, whatever. It's fine. Okay, I'm not trying to give you hints or anything, but 1, 2. You have 3 people left.
Woo.
Yeah, 2 of them are in the big room, so wait for them to come out.
Oh,
Just wait for the door to open. That door, the yellow door. Wait for the yellow door to open. No, just go in. When you see it open, go in. No, Drew. Why are you standing by me? Go. It opened. No, the other one.
Bro, which way do you want me to turn? Oh, this.
Right. Yeah, sorry. Wait. No. One is inside something. Don't, wait. Let me tell you where. Jump down, and then go there. You see that little thing there? Click the garage. You see that little lever? Click that. There's someone in there. Kill her. Let's go.
Okay, where the
There's
other?
2 people.
Where the other?
To right outside. To right up top. Yes, kill her. One more girl. She's
Where?
right here. This emo girl. She's on the ladder. Look. She's staying there.
Where?
The other one. Right there.
Oh, I
right
see
there,
her.
right there. Kill her. She's your last person.
Sprint.
Go.
Sprint.
Throw. Go.
What?
Go. Come on, Drew.
I'm stuck.
She's right there. No. She juked you. Oh my.
I can do this. Let's go, boys. That is great, boys. Now we go to unboxing. That's insane, boys.
Let's go.
They're bums. Get these bums out of my lobby. Like, what are you doing in my lobbies? Leave.
Do you want to continue unboxing?
Yeah, I'm just looking for people to trade with.
Should we join a different server? This is kind of a bad server too. Wait, let's see what we get. If we get innocent, then be honest. If we get innocent, then leave. Or let's do unboxing, and then I can look for you people to trade.
Viper. No. Frick.
What did you get? Are you still doing Gunbox 2, or what are you doing?
Gunbox 1.
Gunbox 1. Okay, let's stay in here. It's fine. I'm playing Playboy Cardi. Oh, Galactic.
Oh, I saw the
that's
freaking
good.
goblin. Wake up, Fago.
What song is this called? Like New Truck or something?
I'm not sure. Well, we'll get in from not awful.
Big kill. Okay, that's not that bad.
Big kill. Oh, I just got killed. Like, right when I got big kill.
Oh.
What? Serving a menace. I just lost the ball.
Keep doing Gunbox 1. There's good prizes or something.
Bro, I swear to God, if I get big kill one more time.
Big kill.
I just got big kill. Bro, if I get big kill. I almost just got Luger.
Oh, you got a different one.
I was right next to getting Luger. Screw this. Yeah, hey. Bro. Come on, we need something good. I keep seeing Luger. Big kill. Let's go, boys. Big kill.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Big kill.
That is the new best gun in the game. Same with Iron. Iron is insane.
you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Let's go. Big kill. Big kill. Yes, sir.
You got 9 commons in a row.
Boys, that is so class.
You got 9 commons in a row, Drew.
Big kill is insane.
Oh my god. If you get one more comment.
Let's go. Fallout. Let's go.
10. Drew. That's 1,000 gems.
Let's go. Let's go, bro. Yes, sir.
Drew. Really?
I'm going crazy on the
You're
stick.
so unlucky, bro.
I'm going crazy on the stick. Is this like a world record?
No, it's not. People spend the life savings on this game. I don't know why.
Oh, I'm saying like most commons in a row. Let's go, bro. This must be a glitch, right? This must be a glitch, right? Right?
How many commons?
I think that was my last box. Yeah, that was my last box.
Wait, you don't have any more gems?
Well, guess what, boys? You can't end it there.
You can't end it there, Drew.
So 400 more Robux down the drain. I can't end it
How many
there.
Robux do you have?
Like 2,800.
Oh, okay. Well, you're
Boys,
pretty stacked.
we can't end it there. We cannot end it there.
We cannot end it there.
We cannot end it on a freaking common. Okay, I'm really mad. Like, now it's getting me mad. Now it's not a joke for getting comments. Come on, Playboy. Okay, Playboy. Playboy, let's sure.
Let's go, Playboy. Let's go, Playboy.
Playboy. Playboy's insane.
Oh, the murder's coming. Drew, move.
Posted with my brother. Yeah.
Worst murder ever.
Ready, boys?
Okay,
Last
you
box.
got 2 rares. You got 2 rares.
Last box.
That's pretty good.
Wait, what box did I just open? Wasn't that what's it called? What's it called?
Knife.
Knife box 4. Knife box 4. Knife box 4. Ready, boys? Let's go. Prayers up. Prayers up in the chat. Prayers up in the chat. Nope. Can't end it there. Can't end it there. Can't end it there. I'm not ending on a common. Not ending on a common. 100 more Robux down the drain. I am not ending on a common. I don't care. We can do 26 more boxes. I don't care.
26 more.
Okay, we're going again. We're going again. We're going again. Like, I don't care at this point. We're not ending on a common. I'm not ending on a common. Sorry, but I'm not. That just ruins the video.
It just ruins the video, bro.
God damn it. We're not ending on a comment. We're not ending on a comment.
You've been getting so many comments for some reason. I don't know why. Playboy Cardi. Here. Bro.
Playboy, let's go.
Bro,
Crap.
Playboy.
I'm freaking sheriff. Yeah, wake up, Fago. Skirt. Okay, there it is, boys. Sorry, that's the end of the video. Okay, we did it. Everyone share because that was insane. 11 comments in a row. That might be a world record. Okay. Well, boys, see you in the next one. Peace out.
Yeah.